Yeah, it just started raining again. Oh, dripping everywhere. What are you doing? Okay. That's what I went out for, is my Catch the Ace ticket. And then stay upright. And then I got some more polysporin. That's, oh yeah, what else did I get? I got a little paintbrush to paint the wall where Birdie scratched it the other day, last weekend, when she was there, or 2 weeks ago. Oh, Oak, I'm here. No need to bark, it's just me. Oh. I thought it was supposed to be warm today. I suppose it is, will get warmer, but in the meantime, it's raining. I missed the rain the first time because I got a lift to the woodworking shop. And then I hung around at the pharmacy and chatted with first the owner, or the guy who runs it, and then Scott, Judy's husband, came in, chatted with him. I chatted with at least 3 people today. Chatted with Kathy. We talked about learning languages. And I chatted with Dawu about, I don't remember what we chatted about. And then, yeah, Scott. It's awfully wet. We'll just leave that on its own there. Drip. On shoes. All right. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to. I know what I have to get. No, I don't have to get that. I'm good. Okay. I'm coming. Slowly. Seriously, why did you pick up the phone? Oh, my jeans are wet. My shoes are wet. My socks are going to be wet. Are you scratching or are you woofling? Are you woofing? Oh, she's scratching. She's digging. Okay, one shoe. It was so good to walk yesterday. I decided to walk every day. Does that sound familiar? Yeah. But just around town. Ah, she's digging. She's digging. She is not whiffling. Okay, shoes off. There we go. the other. Oh, yeah, I did. Get off, get off, get off, get off my foot. Get off my foot. Okay. Put that there. Oh, grab my stuff. And off we go. See, my first Easter decoration. Easter. Again, I did not go to the mailbox. Is that you making the noise? Oh, that's you making the noise. I couldn't figure out what was making that noise. It was not the dog. It was the cat. And it's your tracking device on your collar that's banging up against the wood. I see. We figured it out. Mystery solved. Okay. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you were all quiet and sleeping. Yes, you were. It was your cat. It was your cat that was being noisy. And your cat is here. There you go. There you go. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay. My goodness. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? You love your cat. You love your cat. Happy dog. Get her, get her, get her. You're so happy. Okay. Fun and games. All right, my stuff. Where's I put it down here. Okay. Okay. You coming with me? No, she's not coming. Nope. Door closed. Closed. There. Now watch the hat come off. There. I'll have to revive that here. Okay, we're down. Oh, I didn't take any of that to the recycling. Okay. Okay. How to revive here. I had to have a shower. There we go. Wild.